Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT R15 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the sleep time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on the display. Here we have to tap on advanced, and right here we've got the sleep, so let's enter. And here we've got some options from which we can choose. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Now we've got 30 seconds applied, and you can say it because this option is marked, and all you have to do right now in order to change it is simply tap on the time you'd like to use. So let me pick, for example, 5 minutes. Let me tap on it, and as you can see, it immediately changes actually, and from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your CUBOT R15 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.